All right, we've come up with a plan here on our ditch that we dug out and took the drain pipe out. It stopped up and had been all pieced together and little short pieces and stuff, and it didn't work out well. But I called and checked on some new drain pipe, and it was $164 for a 20-foot section, and we really needed 2 of those, and I just didn't want to spend that much. My wife, she'd call me a cheapo. But here's what our plan is. What we're going to do, it's not going to be a driveway or nothing. It's just where we cross over when we're mowing or ride the 4-wheelers across. So the one thing we have abundance of around here is rocks. And one of our shows we like to watch is The Curse of Oak Island. So on there, they built rock box drains. So that's our plan. Save some money and try it and see what happens. If it don't work, it don't work. But we're going to attempt it. I think I'm going to take some old metal roofing that I have and lay down in the ditch and cup it in there, and then put the rocks on top of that, and that way they won't settle down in the mud, and it'll give a good slick surface on the bottom for the water to travel. And then we'll put a coat of plastic on top of the rocks before we cover it back over with dirt, so the dirt won't seep through, and we'll see what happens. Pull it down towards you just a little. Okay. Now, get us a rock. Lay right here. Give me a couple smaller ones. What we'll do, we'll just try to keep a lot of voids in it. So the water will pass through. Watch that thing be slick. Let me pull down some. Let's try not to get them laying flat in the bottom.
Let me see that one.
Okay. I don't know how this will do in a big hard rain. Be good. I got some of that good heavy plastic over that we can put over top of this these rocks before we cover it. Oop, let me get that and watch your toes. Careful, not fall. Well, how's it looking? Look pretty good, ain't it? Well, we're heading back into load number 2 of the rock. I think we can get by with 1, maybe 2 more loads of rock and get this project done. Well, we got all our rock in. Took three bucket, good full bucket loads. We'll measure it here in a second. See how long it is. I'd say we're pushing 30 feet at least. Then we'll get our plastic laid over it and tucked in good, and then start covering it with dirt. Leave it till it rains and see what happens. But it's running through good right now.